Are you looking for the best treadmill desks? In this video, we will look at some of the best treadmill desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hccsport Treadmill with Removable Desk. Hccsport has created a desk treadmill that rivals the machines you'll find at a fitness center with the added advantage of a built-in workstation. It goes up to 8 miles per hour, features adjustable incline levels of up to 6%, and offers 12 preset high-impact interval training (HIIT) programs to take your fitness to the next level. When you want to use it while working, you can easily attach the desk workstation to create a surface for an iPad or laptop. It also folds up for easy storage, but it's worth noting that it weighs a whopping 85 pounds, so you probably won't want to move it around very often. Overall, users love how versatile, durable, and quiet this treadmill seems to be. Some customers also say it would make a great gift for a partner. Says one reviewer, "I'm highly satisfied with this purchase and am contemplating buying another one for my wife." Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you want an exercise machine that will pull double duty as an under-the-desk treadmill and a jogging machine, the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is right for you. It goes up to 2.5 miles per hour when its handrail is lowered and up to 7.5 miles per hour when it's lifted, so you can really pick up some speed on this baby. The Goplus, which is available in 7 different color options, features a stainless steel frame that's sure to hold up well over time. Go ahead and put it to the test daily. This treadmill can handle it. Besides that, the Goplus offers an easy installation, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, a spot to rest your phone so you can read documents or take meetings, and a remote control for adjusting speed. It features a foldable design and built-in wheels for moving and storing it. Says one reviewer, "This walking pad is really fun to use and works well for the price. It was easy to put together, and you can slide it under a bed or couch when you aren't using it." Number 3. Sperax Under Desk Treadmill Walking Pad. At sub-$200, this machine from Sperax makes under-desk treadmill exercise accessible to a pretty wide range of people. But the low price is just the beginning of reasons to consider it. It clocks in at just 40 pounds, making it one of the lightest machines we've evaluated. It would be a great gift for a grandparent who wants to increase their activity throughout the day without using anything too cumbersome. This treadmill hits speeds of up to 3.8 miles per hour, and you can use a remote to control the settings. Its LED screen displays your speed, calories, distance, and duration. And it's designed to be both shock-absorbing and noise-minimizing. Your joints and your ears will love it. Says one reviewer, "I recently purchased the Sperax walking pad, and I couldn't be happier with my choice. This under-desk treadmill has exceeded my expectations in every aspect." Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Treadmill. If you're in search of an affordable, reliable treadmill with excellent safety features, you can't go wrong with the Sunny Health Fitness Walking Tread Pad. This smart exercise machine includes a safety clip to detect when you step off it and will pause the running belt if no user is detected after a few seconds. If you have to hop off unexpectedly, you don't have to worry that it will stay on indefinitely. Those with small kids or pets at home will appreciate these safety features. It also saves energy and enters power save mode if the machine has been idle for 10 minutes. This option comes fully assembled, includes a wireless remote control, and is on wheels. It even has a large 14-inch monitor that measures your time, speed, calories burned, steps, and distance. The treadmill can be stored upright, and it easily fits under furniture as well. Another thing we love is how well this treadmill absorbs shock. Since it's easy on your knees, feet, and joints, it's a machine you'll feel comfortable using every day. Says one reviewer, "I purchased this little treadmill and, in combination with a standing desk, it has ended up being one of the best investments in personal health I could have made." Number 5. Maksone Under Desk Wooden Treadmill. Eager to get a jump on the cozy cardio trend? Check out this under-desk treadmill from Maksone. It's the only one on the list that has cabin-inspired wooden accents, which gives it a cozier feel for a home office or even a living room. It hits speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, not so fast as to make you drip with sweat, but definitely enough to let you know that you're moving. There's a remote control you can use to adjust the speed, as well as a bright LED display so you can track your metrics. It also includes 12 different walking programs to keep your daily strolls interesting. His under-desk treadmill with a powerful 2.25 HP quiet motor, Maksone under-desk treadmill is able to load bear up to 265 pounds. Meanwhile, it is working quietly without disturbing others, making it ideal for home and office use. With a durable steel frame and multi-layer shield design, the under-desk treadmill is shock-absorbing and noise-reducing, making your running quieter, safer, and more stable. This portable treadmill with the LED display, no matter the riser is folded or raised, you can track speed, distance, time, and calories in real time. The remote control is convenient to adjust the speed while you are running and stop instantly. Available in 0.5 to 6 km/h speed levels, this walking treadmill allows you to select different speed based on your physical condition and exercise based.